What's up you guys, it's Vincanity, and today we're going to be practicing doing variable speeds with our footwork. And I know that sounds crazy, but it basically means that we're going to be practicing doing different speeds while doing our footwork. If you guys haven't seen my last video on doing slow motion footwork, that is basically what this video is based upon. So if you have not seen that, make sure you guys check that out, watch that first before moving on to this one. Alright, so here we go. We're gonna practice with a different song this time. So fast would be like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Half speed would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow would be like this. Going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to find a rhythm that's somewhere between the slow speed and the medium speed. I kind of just combining them together. So it's gonna go something like this. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? So it's gonna kind of go at that pace. So let's actually try this with something simple, just like shuffling our feet for now, right? So I want you guys to lay on your side like this and just practice switching your feet like this, but of course to the beat, okay? So let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8 goes 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, and 2. Once you get the hang of that, just with our legs, we're gonna try to switch that pattern into just our general footwork, right? So I would suggest starting with just shuffles and then start expanding from there, okay? Let's try with just shuffles. Ready? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. So you guys kind of get the idea. So it's like a pause, fast, pause, fast, pause, fast. So this time I want you guys to expand it. Let's add a little bit more movement. So instead of just doing our shuffles just side to side, let's also do it from the back. You can lay down and do it, right? But still staying with that pattern. Okay, let's try it really quick. 5, 6, 7, 8 goes 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. So once you start getting comfortable with this, then it's gonna really start to kind of click in your brain. Like you could actually create patterns in this fashion. So easy. You could pretty much take this basic outline and add whatever you want to it. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. Right? And if you're doing it full speed to the music, it'd be the same thing. Okay? So this time, let's do the same thing, but this time you could do whatever you want. Each step is one movement, right? So your hand could go boom, 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 right? Anything can be a movement. So this time, again, you can do the same thing, freestyle it, whatever movement you want to do, but do one thing at a time, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8 goes 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 9. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2. So again, this is really easy activity for you guys to practice that will actually help you build up again to cleaner, more precise, more on beat, better musicality, all these things. But it all starts with practice. So take your time, start breaking down the music, start finding patterns, and start practicing your dancing to those patterns. And this will really, again, really make you link up to the music. Like all of you guys know, windmills don't just happen overnight. You start to build form, you start to build speed, and eventually you can just take off. Same with this. You start off slow, you start to build form, and eventually you can just take off. But you have to start off slow, okay? So you could use this as a warm-up for your practice, or you could even just use this at the end of your practice when you're starting to get tired and you need to slow down a little bit. However you guys want to use it, it's up to you. But again, take your time and have fun with it. All right? Just want to give a big shout out to Arnicare by Bboy. I pretty much use this stuff every single day for my neck, shoulder, back, even knee pains. Especially on days that I'm training, I have this stuff in my bag ready to go. If you guys are interested in learning more about this product, make sure you guys click the link below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.